American 106 Heavy New York, yeah.
Yes, sir, with you coming out of 2.0 for 5.
American 106 Heavy New York, delay radar contact, climb maintain 6,000.
Climb maintain 6,000, American 106.
American 106 Heavy, turn left heading 090.
Turn left heading 090, American 106 Heavy.
American 106 Heavy, fly heading 040, maintain 11,000.
All right, heading 040 up to 11,000, American 106 Heavy.
Yeah, American 106 Heavy, contact departure 11817, 1817.
1817 was it?
Yes, sir, 1817, 1817.
1817, have a great day, American 106 Heavy.
This one.
New York approach, good evening, American 106 Heavy is with you out of 7.5 for 11,000.
American 106, go direct correction.
Direct to Grecky, American 106 Heavy.
American 106, maintain 12,000.
12,000 American 106 Heavy, and we're going to have to declare a pan here. We have a medical emergency on board.
American 106, Roger, you're going back to Kennedy.
Affirmative.
American 106, standby. And stop the climb, just maintain 11.
Stop the climb at 11, American 106 Heavy.
106, heading 090, descent to 10,000.
090 and 10,000 American 106 Heavy.
American 106, contact New York departure 1359er.
359 American 106 Heavy.
And what was the heading you wanted for American 106 Heavy?
American 106 Heavy, right turn heading 090.
090 American 106 Heavy.
American 106 Heavy, and just trying to get the nature of the medical emergency and a gate number.
We don't have a gate number yet, sir, and
we don't have a gate number yet. Nature of emergency, a passenger believes he's having a heart attack, so we have a position on call coming up, and we just need to return. That's the thing I thought you do. We will need some time to get some checklists done, of course.
American 106 Heavy, no problem. We'll have some delay back to JFK as you get set up. Current airdate is Yankee at Kennedy. You can expect the ILS. Would you prefer 22 left or 22 right?
I prefer the ILS 22 right, American 106.
American 106 Heavy, you can expect the ILS runway 22 right approach. Airdate Yankee is current.
All right, we'll get Yankee American 106 Heavy.
American 106 Heavy, when you get a moment, sir, I need fuel remaining in pounds and souls on board.
All right, we got 123,600 pounds of fuel, and they told us 209 souls.
Thank you very much, sir. American 106 Heavy, turn right, heading 110.
Right, turning 110, American 106 Heavy.
American 106 Heavy, you can turn right, heading 180.
Alright, turning 180, American 106 Heavy.
American 106 Heavy, if you get a moment, sir, if you have the age and the gender of the passenger.
We'll get it. It's a male, and we'll see if we can get the age. Alright, sir, the passenger is in his late 30s, and they're telling us it's not looking good, American 106 Heavy.
American 106 Heavy, roger. Just let me know when you are ready to come back in.
It looks like we are ready to come back, American 106 Heavy.
Okay, perfect. American 106 Heavy, turn right heading 270, descend and maintain 6,000.
I'm sorry, 270, and what was the descent to?
Descend and maintain 6,000.
Descend and maintain 6,000, American 106 Heavy, thank you.
American 106 Heavy, one last question. Do you happen to have a gate number?
Gate 4 for American 106 Heavy.
Roger, thank you. American 106 Heavy, contact approach on 132.4.
132.4, American 106 Heavy, have a good day.
Good day.
Approach, good evening, American 106 Heavy, simply descending out of 8,000 to 6,000.
American 106 Heavy, New York approach, thank you. Flighting 280.
Heading 280, American 106 Heavy.
American 106 Heavy, the speed is your discretion. Center maintain 5,000.
All right, use our discretion down to 5,000, please, and we're all set up for the approach there, so please, we would really appreciate it.
Okay, I'm going to get you right in for that. And you're set up for ILS T2, right?
Yes, sir, we're set up for ILS T2 right now.
Thank you. American 106 Heavy, descend and maintain 4,000.
Maintain 4,000, American 106 Heavy.
American 106 Heavy, descend and maintain 3,000. American 106 Heavy, descend and maintain 3,000.
Maintain 3,000, American 106 Heavy.
American 106 Heavy, turn another 10 degrees right.
10 right, further 10 right, American 106 Heavy.
American 106 Heavy, the traffic 12 o'clock, 5 miles southwestbound, 2,000 foot of parallel, JetBlue Airbus 220.
I was looking for American 106 Heavy.
American 106 Heavy, you're about 4 from Matter, turn left 250, descend and maintain 2,000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS T2 right.
All right, left 250, maintain 2,000 until established, cleared to the ILS T2 right, American 106 Heavy, thank you.
American 106 Heavy, speed your discretion, contact tower 123.9er.
All right, speed's on us, 1239, have a great night, American 106 Heavy, thanks for the help.
See ya.
Okay, tower, good evening, American 106 Heavy, emergency aircraft coming in on the 2 right.
American 106 Heavy, Kennedy Tower number 1, there'll be a heavy Airbus departure, caution wake turbulence. There is emergency vehicle standing by as a precaution. Wind 24014, runway 22 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 22 right, I understand about the emergency vehicles, appreciate it, American 106 Heavy. Going to gate 4.
Copy that.
And American 106 Heavy is exiting at Kilo 4.
American 106 Heavy, right, Kilo, cross, 31 left, and for the overweight landing. Do you require any assistance from the emergency vehicles?
Negative, American 106 Heavy. Right turn on Kilo, cross 31 left, American 106 Heavy.
Roger, and we did, I know you're a medical also, so we called on that as well. Cross 31 left, and then follow the, I don't know what type of plane it is, Turkish Air Force.
Alright, is it the one in front of us?
Alright, American 106, disregard. Follow that 777, left alpha.
Alright, follow 777, left alpha, American 106 Heavy, thanks much.